Can we take off Touch of Men's hair dye? There's only one way to find out. We're gonna put this stuff to the test and see what happens. So you guys wanna know how I keep it so fresh in all my videos? Well, here's the secret, Touch of Men's Gray Cover-Up. It's a good product. Is that enough for you people? All right, we're gonna wait the recommended 10 minutes here, people. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna go in for the rinse and try to not make a mess. So here we go. I got the majority off of my hair with some shampoo and water, but man, were my hands stained. We gotta try to get this stuff off. All right, I'm gonna try our hand wipes. Let's try these first. Let's go. Make sure you stick around because the results are probably not what you expect. While the hand wipes are kind of helping, it is not the cleaning that I am looking for, man. This is some gnarly dye. I'm gonna switch over to the hand soap. Let's see if the soap can lift this off a little bit better. Now here we go with the ultra heavy duty hand soap. Now I know after using a hand wipe, if that didn't touch it, that this likely is not either. So to my disappointment, I don't know of anything that's gonna get this off, to be completely honest. Watch, you wanna bet? Competitor's product, here you go. To show you, nothing's gonna get this stuff off, man. And unfortunately, my hands are still stained, which is why I have learned in the hand soap industry that some things are just made to not come off your skin. Otherwise, wear the gloves, man. Wear the gloves.